What's up, guys, and welcome back to another food reviewing short. And today we're reviewing chicken barbecue flavored Gop Gop. So I've tried Gop Gop before. I tried the nori seedy one and the French chili version, which you might have already seen that. This is a new flavor. Not tried this flavor before, so go ahead and try it. Let's just give me a moment. Okay, we got it open. Okay, here they are, the chips. Okay. Smell not too bad, but does it taste good? Okay. Okay, that's a bit of a weird taste. Honestly, this tastes... It kind of tastes like chicken barbecue, but like... I don't know. It just tastes like... Okay. There you go. Gop Gop chicken barbecue flavored.